It's a good idea to use Google Drive as the main jumping off point for any content creation that you're making, especially if you start in the folder where you actually ultimately want the documents to end up. So let's, for example, say I was going to be doing some literacy work in my Term 1 folder. I'm going to browse through to my literacy folder before I even create any content. So now I would come up to New, and this time I would choose the particular document that I wanted to create. So let's say I'm going to make a Google Doc. And this Google Doc will be created and saved automatically into that literacy folder. So remember to name it. So let's call it, so I've given it a sensible name, and then I can do my work. And you can set the icon up here says it's saved to Drive. We know where it is. We can move it from here if we want to, but let's just close this, and we can see that inside my literacy folder for Term 1, my W sentence starters for week 3 Term 1 is actually in the folder. So if you get a good folder structure going, and you can see that here's my folder structure from the top level drive to the sub level, which is my Term 1 folder, and inside that you can see the path here of where my documents are, and everything. This is everything that's inside my literacy folder. And if you create your content, if you create your folders in your documents inside the folders you've already created, there's no need to move them at a later point. Just stay organized.